Hello and welcome to Smart Farm Insight, your trusted window into the world of modern agriculture and the hidden stories behind the foods we enjoy every day. Today, we explore the remarkable life cycle of one of the world's most refreshing fruits, the watermelon. For thousands of years, people across ancient civilizations valued this fruit for its ability to hydrate, energize, and cool the body during hot seasons. But beyond its delicious taste, the watermelon carries a story shaped by centuries of farming traditions, advances in technology, scientific improvements, and global agricultural innovation. In today's world, no country represents this evolution more powerfully than China, the global leader in watermelon production. China grows nearly 60% of the entire world's supply, producing over 67 million tons each year, an amount so massive that it can fill endless trucks traveling from rural farmlands to crowded wholesale markets and modern factories. This enormous scale reflects China's expertise in land management, sustainable farming, and efficient production systems that ensure each fruit meets high standards of sweetness and quality. Yet that the journey of a watermelon begins long before the fruit appears. It starts with choosing the right land. Farmers study regions with warm temperatures, gentle winds, and sandy loam soils that are well-drained and ideal for root growth. Before the first seed is planted, the fields undergo deep preparation. Tractors plow and loosen the soil to allow proper aeration. Organic compost, aged manure, or green manure crops are added to enrich the soil with nutrients. Careful leveling ensures that water spreads evenly after irrigation. Once the land is prepared, farmers stretch thin plastic mulch across the soil. This simple layer plays an essential role. It preserves moisture, traps warmth during cold spring nights, prevents weeds from growing, and protects the soil structure. Watermelon seeds may be sown directly into the field or started in nursery trays, where young plants grow in a controlled environment for their first 2 weeks. Seedlings reaching 15 to 20 centimeters in height are then strong enough for transplanting. In the field, farmers plant them about 1 meter apart to give each plant enough room for its long vines, wide leaves, and developing fruit. As the crop grows, irrigation becomes one of the most important tasks. Modern farms often use drip irrigation tubes that deliver precise amounts of water to the plant roots. This reduces evaporation, conserves water, and keeps the soil at consistent moisture levels, which helps prevent diseases. At the same time, farmers monitor the field daily, checking for pests, removing weeds, and ensuring that the plants receive enough nutrients and sunlight. During the flowering period, watermelon plants produce both male and female blossoms, and successful pollination is crucial for fruit development. Bees play a key role in this process. So many farmers rent bee colonies to ensure strong pollination rates. Without bees visiting the flowers, many potential melons would never form. Once pollination occurs, tiny green fruits begin to appear. Over the next several weeks, they grow rapidly, sometimes adding several centimeters in diameter each day. To ensure even development, workers rotate the melons, trim unnecessary vines, and remove excess leaves so that the fruit receives enough light and airflow. Each adjustment helps create a smoother rind, better shape, and higher quality fruit. Depending on the variety and climate, watermelons mature in about 70 to 90 days. Toward the end of the season, the vines start to dry slightly. Experienced farmers rely on several indicators to know when the fruit is perfectly ripe. The curly tendril near the fruit turns brown, the underside of the melon changes to a creamy yellow, and the surface loses its shine. A gentle tap may produce a hollow sound, another sign of readiness. Harvesting is the most labor-demanding stage. On smaller farms, this work is entirely manual. Under the intense summer sun, teams of workers walk through the fields with knives, cutting each ripe melon from its vine. Skilled harvesters can collect over 4,000 melons in one day. Every fruit is handled with care because even a small crack or bruise can ruin it. Workers gently load melons into crates or conveyor belts that carry them to waiting trucks. Once they leave the field, the next phase takes place in modern processing centers equipped with machinery designed to clean, sort, and prepare melons for distribution. In these facilities, each fruit is washed with soft brushes or water jets that remove soil and dust. Automated conveyor lines use sensors and weighing machines to evaluate each melon. Advanced systems like the Unitech Unibus or Unigi sorting line can scan several fruits per second, checking size, weight, shape, and surface defects before sorting them into uniform categories. This ensures that retailers receive consistent quality and uniform sizes. After sorting, melons are placed in sturdy cartons usually weighing between 15 and 22 kilograms. These boxes are stacked onto pallets, often around 50 boxes per load, and moved into pre-cooling rooms. Cooling the fruit quickly helps extend shelf life by slowing down natural respiration and preserving freshness during transportation. Meanwhile, melons that are undersized, misshapen, or unsuitable for the fresh market are sent to juice processing factories. There, the fruits are cut, crushed, and pressed in stainless steel hydraulic machines. The juice passes through filters, homogenizers, and sterilizers to remove impurities and harmful microorganisms. Finally, the juice is filled into aseptic packaging that keeps it fresh and stable without preservatives. Some facilities process 2 to 50 tons of watermelon juice per day, ensuring that no part of the harvest goes to waste. Although China dominates production, innovative watermelon farming techniques can be found around the world. In Japan, for example, farmers have turned watermelon cultivation into an art form. Literally. Japanese growers are famous for creating perfectly square watermelons. To achieve this, young melons are placed inside transparent cube-shaped molds. As the fruit grows, it gradually fills the mold, taking on its geometric shape. These square melons are produced in very limited quantities, often only a few hundred per year. They are not typically purchased for eating, but for gifting and display. Their uniform shape makes them easy to stack, ship, and showcase in stores. Because they require constant monitoring of temperature, water levels, and sunlight, they are sold as luxury items, costing anywhere from $70 to over $1,000 each. Their presence in festivals and gift shops symbolizes elegance, creativity, and cultural pride. In other regions such as China, Korea, and Southeast Asia, farmers use trellis or hanging systems to grow watermelons above the ground. Plants climb up strong supports, and fruits are held in netted slings to prevent them from falling or deforming. This method improves air circulation, minimizes soil-related diseases, saves land space, and creates cleaner, more uniform melons. It is a powerful example of how sustainable techniques continue to influence the future of farming. The significance of watermelon reaches beyond farms and markets. This fruit represents abundance, community, and nature's generosity. Whether sliced at family gatherings, blended into juice, or crafted into decorative shapes, watermelon brings joy across cultures and continents. Different countries grow their own unique varieties: seedless types, yellow-fleshed melons, extra-large giants, compact icebox melons, and many more. Behind every variety stands a network of farmers, engineers, scientists, beekeepers, and laborers working together. Every bite of a juicy red watermelon is the result of centuries of knowledge refined through generations, supported by modern agricultural technology that helps farmers maximize production while protecting the environment. So the next time you cut into a crisp, sweet watermelon, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey behind it. The careful preparation of the soil, the delicate seedlings nurtured under protective coverings, the bees that pollinated the flowers, the irrigation systems that kept the plants alive, the workers who harvested each melon by hand, and the machines that sorted, washed, and packed it for market. From ancient deserts to today's advanced farms, the watermelon continues to symbolize resilience, creativity, and human connection to nature. Each slice is not just a fruit, it's the story of science, tradition, and dedication coming together to deliver one perfect taste of summer.